Buster. Got a pallet here, and we're going to see what we can do with it. See if it's faster than just using a hammer or a pry bar. This one does have the movable arms, which helps. And here, okay, nails are still in, but the wood came up. Wood came loose. Nails came out of that one. Don't hit me. Nails stayed in. All right, we got one. The movable little arms allow it to go between the boards. It allows it to fit. This is a tough pallet. I know it would have been better if I had fallen on my face. It would have had a nice viral video, but we got it. I would have never been able to get these loose with just a hammer or pry bar. Uneven. Alright, won't waste your time. I'll join you once more. As you can see, it does work. I will tell you, I did the first two pallets 3 minutes at most a piece. At most. They pulled the nails out. Beautiful. This one, whoo! I don't know if it's a newer pallet or what, but the nails are not wanting to come out. So if I did not have this, I would have just had to cut the boards. So on this one, I ended up cutting the ends, both ends, and then trying to pry up the middle. That way I can use most of the board. However, I don't know if you can see right there. It split, it broke. So that's how tight those were. Oh man, just keeping it real. Yeah, even this tool doesn't work all the time. So anyway, it is a good tool. So hope it was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours. Let me show you something. The nails are still here. That's how attached they are
10 for dismount.
But yeah, wow.